Hello, my name is Fawad Ahmed. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your mobile phone with Canon DSLR. So let's go. For Android and iOS, open your App Store and search for Canon Camera Connect and then download it. Now take your camera and press menu button. Go to your Wi-Fi setting and select Wi-Fi functions. Now you will see connect to smartphone. If you have some old settings, you have to delete them. Now settings are deleted. Now you have to select connect to smartphone and select easy connection and press OK. Here you will get your Wi-Fi name and password, which is called encryption key. Now you have to open your mobile setting and search for Wi-Fi Canon, then give password encryption key. Open the app which we have downloaded. Now you will get a notification. You have to select your camera and give permission from camera. Now go back to your camera and give permission and press OK. Click on import images. All images are on your smartphone. Now simply select your image and download to your device. If you found this video helpful, then please follow to my YouTube channel for more informative videos.